If knobs are too loose and they fall off easily, what you can do is remove the knob. And I'll remove the spring as well. And with a flathead screwdriver, you basically just go in the opening of the screw and you bend it open just a little bit, not too much. Just bend it out just a little bit. Then you're going to go ahead and place your spring back and the knob, and you will feel that the knob is tighter. So that way your knobs don't fall out. And you can do that on any part of the head, on the top knobs and on the lower knobs.